Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, hello, guten Tag. Don't know where you are, but wherever you are, get ready because we're going to practice one of my favorite breaths called Ujjayi breath. If you don't know it, it's super simple, so bear with me. Find a nice and comfortable seat, whatever that means for you. I like to sit on a block to elevate my hips, let my knees relax down, my spine is nice and tall, crown of the head reaching towards the sky. Relax the arms on the knees. If you don't have a block, sit on a cushion, a blanket, pillow, anything you have in the house goes. Take a moment, relax the mind. Take a few natural deep breaths. This time, inhale all the way in. As you exhale, imagine you're fogging up a mirror. So it looks something like this. Keep the mouth open just to get a sense of it so you know how it feels. So again, inhale deeply. Exhale. Feel the heat. Imagine you were fogging up a mirror, so you were going. Now keep that sensation, but this time close the mouth and do the same sensation, same restriction behind the throat as you exhale. So inhale naturally. I love how some people call this the Darth Vader breathing because it really sounds like you're the Darth Vader. But I just love it because I find it so calming and energizing at the same time. Especially if you're new to this practice, this is a fantastic beginner breath just to start calming your mind. You can do this in the morning, in the middle of practice, whenever you need to find a comfortable seat. Start to inhale. Exhale, fog up the mirror with closed lips. I find that sometimes when you're doing this in a group, or even when you're really paying attention, it sounds like you're inside of an ocean when you exhale. I love that. Enjoy this. Let me know how you find this, how you find the videos. If you have any questions or if you're curious about something, just shoot me a DM. I look forward to hearing you guys. Stay happy, stay healthy, and practice something new. Namaste.